So I've decided I'm going to go ahead and change the hard drive out, and I've got a Western Digital 500 gig hard drive that I'm going to replace in it. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and shut the power down, and since it's not responding, I'm just going to go ahead and hold the power button down until it turns off. The hard drive is located on the bottom side underneath the battery, and I'm just going to go ahead and use a coin to open up that battery slot. Once I get that open, there's going to be 3 screws just on that sidewall there that hold a plate. And there's a little white tab back in there. Fold it under. Pull that tab out. That's where the hard drive is located. So I'm going to take that hard drive out of there and replace it. Typical Phillips screwdriver for that piece. So I'm just going to take that hard drive, set it aside, take the new hard drive, the 500 gig, I'm going to put it back in the same position. Now we're going to take that hard drive and slide it right back in where we got it. Reinstall the metal bracket that holds it in place. And then we will reinstall the battery. Take my magic coin out again. And that's how you reinstall or install a new hard drive on your MacBook.